Today, we will learn how analyzing financial reports and press releases can help in job applying and job interviews. Mastering this will enable you to assess a company's financial health and stay informed about its latest developments, insights that are invaluable during job interviews and in making informed career choices. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand the structure and key components of financial reports, interpret essential financial metrics to evaluate a company's stability, analyze press releases to stay updated on recent company developments, understanding financial reports. Financial reports offer a window into a company's financial status. The primary documents include balance sheet. This snapshot shows what the company owns and owes, its assets and liabilities at a specific point in time, along with the shareholders' equity. Income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement, it details the company's revenues and expenses over a period, revealing profit or loss. Cash flow statement. This outlines the inflows and outflows of cash, highlighting how well the company manages its cash to fund operations and growth. Key financial metrics. To calculate and understand a company's financial health, consider these metrics. Current ratio. Calculated by dividing current assets by current liabilities, this ratio measures the company's ability to pay short-term obligations. A higher ratio indicates better liquidity. Profit margin. This shows what percentage of revenue turns into profit, indicating efficiency. It is computed by dividing net income by total revenue. Debt-to-equity ratio. This compares the company's total liabilities to shareholders' equity, revealing how much debt is used to finance assets. Return on equity, ROE. This measures profitability by indicating how much profit a company generates with the shareholders' invested money. Analyzing press releases. Press releases are official communications about significant events. They can inform you about new product launches, indicate innovation and market expansion, mergers and acquisitions, reflect strategic growth and market positioning, financial milestones, highlight achievements like reaching revenue targets or securing funding. Regular review of a company's press releases enable you to stay informed about its strategic direction and recent activities.